A darknet is a private network where connections are made only between trusted pairs, sometimes called friends, using non-standard protocols and ports. Darknets are distinct from other distributed peer-to-peer networks as sharing is anonymous, and therefore users can communicate with little fear of governmental or corporate interference. For this reason, darknets are often associated with dissident political communications and illegal activities. More generally, the term darknet can be used to describe all non-commercial sites on the Internet, or to refer to all underground web communications and technologies, most commonly those associated with illegal activity or dissent. History: originally coined in the 1970s to designate networks which were isolated from ARPANET for security purposes, darknets were able to receive data from ARPANET but had addresses which did not appear in the network lists and would not answer pings or other inquiries. The term gained public acceptance following publication of The Darknet and the Future of Content Distribution, a 2002 paper by Peter Biddle, Paul England, Marcus Pinedo, and Brian Willman, for employees of Microsoft, who describe the concept as follows. The idea of the darknet is based upon three assumptions. Any widely distributed object will be available to a fraction of users in a form that permits copying. Users will copy objects if it is possible and if they are interested in doing so. Users are connected by high-bandwidth channels. The darknet is the distribution network that emerges from the injection of objects according to Assumption 1 and the distribution of those objects according to Assumptions 2 and 3. The Microsoft researchers argued that the presence of the darknet was the primary hindrance to the development of workable DRM technologies. The term has since been widely adopted and has seen usage in major media sources, including Rolling Stone and Wired. Recently, darknets have been discussed in many fields of network security, largely because users who occupy such areas have gone there for various reasons. Some publish on darknets out of privacy concerns or for fear of political reprisal, while others publish on darknets for criminal gain. One trend that has been suggested is the use of darknets to share media files that are copyrighted. Terms: when used to describe a file-sharing network, the term darknet is often used as a synonym for friend-to-friend, both describing networks where direct connections are only established between trusted friends. Software such as Nullsoft's Waste use this method. The most widespread non-darknet file-sharing networks, such as BitTorrent, are not true darknets since peers will communicate with anyone else on the network. Almost all known darknets are decentralized and therefore considered peer-to-peer. Many darknets require a software to be installed to access them. Popular darknets include Freenet, Nunet. See also: cryptoanarchism, friend-to-friend, private P2P, sneakernet, internet privacy, virtual private network, software. Freenet runs as a darknet by default. From version 0.7 it can run as a OpenNet. Nunet can run as a darknet if F2F topology option is enabled. RetroShare run as a darknet by default, and can run as darknet if DHT and discovery features are disabled. Cindy is software to publish distributed forums over several networks, including darknets and anonymous networks like I2P and Tor. Defunct software, all peers, AnoNet, Turtle F2F, Waste, references. External links: Boutin, Paul. See you on the Darknet. Slater, File-sharing darknet unveiled. BBC News. August 16, 2006. Darknet 101, Introduction for Non-Technical People.